Hello, dear aestheticians. Congratulations again for all the students who graduated from school and also who passed their state board. So if you graduated and you have not taken your state board yet, please do it right now. Don't wait, okay? And whenever you are ready to start working, to see customers, to service customers, we are going to be here to help you all the way. So we have, a few tools in our toolbox, and we are making that toolbox bigger and bigger and bigger every day. So what do you need to know about Biocosmetic of Texas? How can we help you? First, we have no minimum order. Okay, if you want to purchase one mask, you can purchase one mask. We have retail kits for your customers. It's a kit with 4 products that will be for different skin types. So we have one for dry skin, for acne, for aging, for normal skin. We have 5 different ones. So in it, you have a cleanser, a toner, and a serum and a moisturizer most of the time. We have a facial in a kit, okay, in a bag. It comes like this, okay. 9 products that you will be using to do your basic facial on any skin. We have also an affiliate program, which I'll talk to you about that a little bit later because it's a little bit complicated, okay. Training. We can do training many different ways. We can do training online, so we can do training on Zoom, phone calls. You can come in the office. We can sit together with me, and I can go over the different products you are getting. Also, we do a lot of videos, and we post them on our website. So please, watch them anytime you want. And also part of the training is that we do not want you to think that training is mandatory before you purchase your products. With Biocosmetic of Texas, no, we don't go that way. We are going to help you, and you can train with me before, you can train with me after, online, on the phone. We make it very easy. Another thing we want to make sure that you know is you can contact me anytime. And for that, you're going to text me on my cell. Texting is the best way for me because if I'm teaching a class, I cannot answer the phone or anything like that. So text me is the best way. My number is 713-302-9293. Okay? And it's about it. You can make an appointment with me on our website to talk to me also. You can call me in the office. If I'm in the office, Lola will definitely pass the phone to me. The office number is 281-277-9494. If you are not ready to purchase, our facial in a bag, then contact me and we'll see what you need, what type of products you need, and what is your budget. And I will help you with your budget and the type of products you want. So I hope this helped a lot. And I hope that we're going to have a close relationship that is going to bring you success. I'll talk to you soon.